Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be reviewing and swatching the Soul Body Face and Body Highlighters. I have 6 shades, which I believe now they have added an additional 2 more shades. I purchased these a few months ago, so hint why I don't have the new shades. This is my first time trying anything from this brand, which I believe is a sister company to Colourpop. These are big plastic compacts with a big mirror. I like the color of the packaging, but I will say that in my opinion, the packaging feels a bit cheap. When I removed my compacts out of the box, most of them had scratches on the packaging and some even had the letters rubbed off. They do have a snap closure, which I had trouble opening. If you have already tried these, please let me know if you had the same issues with yours. As you can see, these are pretty big compacts. These are 10 grams of product for $14 each, or you can get the bundle of 5 and their body blending sponge for $60. While filming this video, I was able to notice that these have like a tropical scent. I would say it kind of smells like coconuts. The color variation I think is good for being a newer brand. I think and I hope every skin tone can find a shade. I do have a medium tan skin, so I can definitely use all of them, even the bronze shade, which is the darkest one, if I use a light hand. For my skin tone, my favorite is warm gold and even platinum because I like the yellow gold undertone. Now for the swatches, I did 2 layers to show more of the color. You can definitely build these up and also go light-handed for less intense finish. In person, these are very shimmery and prettier than in the video. You can see more shimmer in person, but I personally think they have just enough shimmers for those that don't like glittery highlighters. Overall, I'm happy with these highlighters. I like that the formula is very creamy. You can use these on your face and body. I can definitely see myself using these more in the summer to highlight my shoulders and my collarbone. So let me know what you guys think about these. Have you guys picked them up? Or are you planning on getting these? I know I'm a bit late on this video, but I just wanted to upload it for those that haven't swatched these or haven't seen these in person. So I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.